Building a software company used to require a computer science degree and tens of thousands of dollars in startup capital. Today, you can build a recurring revenue engine without writing a single line of code. Fortune 500 companies are actively using a free ecosystem called Google AI Studio to build subscription-based products. They are using it to solve specific industry problems, while most people are still using consumer AI interfaces to chat about their homework. To build this infrastructure yourself, you only need two things: a free Google account and a highly specific target audience with money to spend. By moving from a passive AI consumer to an active AI producer, you position yourself to capture monthly recurring revenue. You build the system once, and your customers pay to access it every month. Step 1 is defining a micro-niche. You need to pick one specific problem for one specific customer. For example, we are going to build a tool designed specifically for business coaches to write their weekly email newsletters. If you try to build a general content generator for everyone, you will likely fail. But if you build a tool that solves a daily, repetitive task for a targeted demographic, they will pay for the convenience. This structural logic map represents a feature in Google AI Studio called a structured prompt. A structured prompt allows you to program the AI's core behavior by linking defined input fields like topic and audience directly to a specific output format, entirely without code. You must provide the system with at least 5 distinct examples of perfect newsletter outputs. This gives the model a clear pattern to follow, ensuring it knows exactly what a successful result looks like before a user ever interacts with it. Next, you adjust the temperature setting. Temperature dictates the balance between creative variance and consistency. By lowering the temperature, you restrict the AI from getting overly creative or hallucinating, forcing it to deliver reliable, repeatable results every single time. Now you test the system. You enter sample topics and target audiences into your newly tuned prompt to verify that it produces a polished, professional newsletter. You refine the examples until the output is consistently clean. Through this focused testing and structured prompting, you have taken a blank, generic AI model and shaped it into a specialized software engine. It is now completely tailored to the workflow of a business coach. Once the logic is locked in, you move from testing to production. Inside AI Studio, you simply click the Get Code button. AI Studio immediately generates the functional Python or Node.js code for your prompt. You bypass the entire process of writing the core logic from scratch. With the logic built, you assemble a simple front-end interface for your users. This is just a clean web page containing an input box for their topic and a Generate button to trigger the process. This system's flowchart shows exactly